Hey there, DIYers. Have I got a great product for you? It is Weld WaterWeld. You can use it on fiberglass, PVC, plastic, copper, brass, iron, and aluminum. I tell you, there's so many uses for this, and it's awesome. And it has a high PSI rating too. I'll put that in the description below and where to find it at Lowe's at least. And I tell you what, I had a leak underground here, and this thing is in such a bad spot. I just did not want to dig up 4 feet of soil and pull all this piping out just to fix that one little leak there. So what I did, I dug underneath this and I cleaned it up real good and got it nice and dry, and then I just put this stuff all around it. And all you have to do is just take it out of the package, cut what you desire. I desired the whole thing, so I took it all out, and you mash it up. Make sure you wear gloves. Mash it up until it becomes one uniform color, and then just wrap it around the pipe like I did. And boy, I tell you, that pipe now is sealed. It is not leaking. This is about 6 weeks ago. I want to make sure it's total quality. This is for my lawn sprinklers. It's 150 PSI. And I tell you what, this thing works like a champ. So check it out. Weld WaterWeld at stores. Good luck. God bless. It works for me.